Guys, would you believe I made this delicious waakye with Ghana local rice? Yes, come let me show you how I made it. So in a pot of water, I added my beans. And please note I have removed all the unwanted particles and I have thoroughly washed it, okay? So I add my waakye leaves or sorghum leaves and then we cover it and allow it to cook for about 40 minutes. So now 40 minutes into the time, this is what we have here. You can see our beans is doing well. Yes, so we cover it and allow it to cook again for extra 20 minutes. So now I remove the sorghum leaves because my beans is already to receive my Ghana local rice. Family, guys, please try making waakye with Ghanaian or Ghana local rice and thank me later, okay? Let me also show you one secret. So over here I added some water to it and then added some salt to taste. And then I added some cooking oil. This made my waakye so silky, smooth, and delicious. Please, if you are not adding oil to your waakye, please do, okay? So this is what we have here after our waakye has carefully cooked. And waakye so dear onuya no amano ayemre kakra. Your waakye should be a bit softer. Well, that is how I like my waakye. It's soft, smooth, and silky. Yes, so now you can see our waakye is almost cooked. So I cover it with some parchment paper and then we lower the heat for it to cook again for extra 20 minutes. And just look at that. I am nede everybody was asking for more. So over here, I am going to add all the complements to the waakye. And I don't know why waakye goes with lots of compliments. Just look at this. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? Warashe, waakye na aye soko say, waakye preman, waakye boutique, premium waakye made by tasty and fresh with love. So why don't you follow the step-by-step recipe and make yourself some delicious local rice waakye? Come join me, let's enjoy some lunch, okay? Thank you and see ya in our next video. Bye bye.